How you doing, guys? My name is Amin Haq, and today I'm going to do a genuine, honest review of Crypto Wealth Fund. Okay, so Crypto Wealth Fund is a program that they promise to invest your money into various different areas like cryptocurrencies, forex trading, and other things. And they're promising to give you a really high return on your investments. So if we scroll down here, they're showing you can get really high rates, guys. Really 4% daily for 45 days, 5% for 30 days, 7% for 24 days, and 17% weekly for 365 days. All right, so I'm going to tell you right now, guys, this is a HYIP program. I won't be investing in it. And basically, their story that they're giving here, their cover story, is a 100% cover story, guys. All right, so if we go into the about page here, they're saying that they're a Dubai-based mining and forex trading company. Okay, all right, and they're basically mining in different currencies, forex trading, stock option, and high yield investment sites. All right, so this is a high yield investment site. Okay, they're not investing in other high yield investment site. This is a high yield investment site. Okay, so I just want you I just want to kind of make this clear for the people who don't know. There'll be a big percentage of people in this company that do know the story. They do know the truth behind it. Okay, I think most of the people with over 6 months, a year's experience in this industry, they will know that this is a high yield investment company and this isn't a genuine investment company. Okay, so this review, I want to do this for the people that don't know what this is. The 30, 40, 50% of you out there that actually genuinely believe that this is an investment company. I just want to kind of lay it out there straight, guys. This isn't, don't believe this story. I used to be one of these people that believed this story, not so long ago. And I only ever kind of promoted one high yield investment company in my past. And I kind of learnt my lesson from there. And I promised myself I would never, ever do it again. So basically, guys, that's it. Look, they're saying that they're mining and trading different portfolios since 2013. That's a complete lie, guys. All right. They've got really high affiliate commission structure here. Look, they've got 10% on the first level, 3% on the second level, and 2% on the third level. So what that is, guys, that's commission to get people to sign up. So basically, because of this, you have a lot of people that are promoting this, a lot of people that will want to get you to sign up and are really kind of promoting this as like the real deal, as that you can make really good money from it really long term. But the fact is, guys, this is it's gonna be gone. This company, I pretty much guarantee you, it will be gone very soon, like within 6 months of its existence, right? So I don't know how long it's been around for, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months, but within 6 months, like altogether, I'm pretty much fairly sure that this company, it will be gone. It will be gone, right? So anyway, so if we do a quick search for crypto fund, what we find is obviously their website, and then what you're going to find is some YouTube videos. So people are trying to rank for this this program to kind of get you to kind of join, and some blogs. So you're going to see a lot of blogs that are pretending to kind of save you from scams and save you money and stuff like that. Like, for example, this one, the first one that ranks here, Online Scam Guard, is kind of pretending to be a website that that kind of protects you from scams, right? But if you go into it, you'll see that it's actually just it's a blog. All right, it's a blog that reviews sites. Okay, so this is reviewing Crypto Wealth Fund, and if you go through it, it's just basically promoting the scam. All right, it's promoting this website. Okay, so but it's pretending to be a blog. It's pretending to be a site that that protects you from scams. But in actual fact, this is scam, and it's actually promoting this video here with a guy called Tom Kent. So if you go into this page here, and this is the #1 blog, this is the #1 website promoting this at the moment. There'll be loads. But if you type in the name in Google, you'll probably find loads of blogs, and they're all kind of gonna be pretending to protect you from scams or whatever. But in actual fact, they're just going to be like an article promoting it and trying to get you to sign up. And the things that they'll say, like here, they'll say it's paying. Like here, account details, it's paying. There, it's paying here. Okay, so that's what they'll always say, that, oh, it's paying. Like I said, guys, I used to think the same thing, you know, about these companies, you know, when I first started, right? But you know, I just, you know, for those of you who don't know what HYIP program is, guys, it's a high yield investment program. It's set up to scam you at some point. All right. So basically they will pay you to kind of show the growth, to make people confident that the company is legit and it's going to pay you. And because they're paying you, your people will kind of advertise that and go around and say, oh, it's paying, it's not a scam, it's legit. And that will kind of grow the company. And that's why they kind of pay out instantly. But as soon as they see the decline, as soon as that happens, like even if they get a feeling that the confidence is dropping, and you know the revenue is just about to start declining, so when they hit that peak, they'll disappear, they'll vanish. You won't see them again. This website will completely be offline. You won't be able to get hold of them. They will be gone, right? Before you can say gone, right? They will be gone. Okay, so look, you can see they're promoting, you know, different hypes and stuff here. So anyway, back to this video. This video is by a guy called Tom Kent. And Tom Kent is a well-known scammer. He's a well-known scammer. And basically what this blog is saying it's really promoting this video and saying, yeah, I really like this video because he's a real guy. Tom Kent is a real member and not some character from Fiverr, some fake actor from Fiverr, yeah? The fact is, guys, Tom Kent, yeah, he's a real guy, but he's a real scammer, right? Anyone that's been in this industry for like, you know, more than a year will know, you know, some of Tom Kent's old scams. Okay, so just be wary of that. And I'm not saying that I haven't been involved in scams before, by the way, guys. Before, you kind of, you know, label me a scam or whatever, you know, which a lot of people might do. But what I'm trying to say is, look, I have been involved in the wrong companies in the past, and I have gone through a learning curve. But the fact is that you have to learn. You have to learn each mistake you make. The whole point of making mistakes is that you learn from your past and you move forward. All right. I'm not saying that you know, I'm not going to make any more mistakes. But the point is that people that continue to make the same mistakes over and over again, then they're not mistakes. They're just scamming you on purpose. All right. So I promoted one HYIP in the past. It was a mistake. I've never done it again. Right. I've never kind of touched them again. All right. So. And I won't. Okay, so anyway, so moving on, that's, you can see these blogs here. They're going to be kind of promoting Crypto Wealth Fund, you know, and basically saying that they're trying to save you from scams. If we check out the website info on who.is, all right, and we put in this this web URL in there really quickly. Just put that in there, okay, and see what comes up. So who.is, it basically brings up the website information. All right, so look, it was bought at GoDaddy. All right, so someone just bought it at GoDaddy, and expires on this year. Expires on the 11th of 2nd of November 2017. It was bought. This website was first registered, right, just like literally, guys, 2 months ago. All right, so this story here that they're saying that they've been mining and trading in portfolios since 2013, it's complete, you know, I don't believe it, right? This website was just registered the other day, okay? And, you know, if they're a really big, like Dubai-based investment fund, then trust me, guys, their website wouldn't be like a template website like this. It would be something, you know, it would actually have their address here. It would have, you know, it would have more information than what they have here. Okay. So just kind of be aware of that, guys. Also, if we go on who.is, check out the website info. And click on there. Okay, it's not on there. Let me just see if we know who's behind it all. Okay, so if we check the registrant contact information, registration private. All right, so they've kept the information private. So that's another really kind of strong signal, guys, not to get involved with this. All right, because it's all, they've kept everything private. All right, they've kept it private for a reason, guys, because they don't want it. They don't want you to know who they are, who's behind this scam. All right, if we just quickly check Alexa.com. Just to kind of see, confirm the kind of website, you know, when it was registered, when it first started getting going. What's the website? CryptoWealthFund.com. Let's type it in here. Check out the website traffic. All right. So CryptoWealthFund.com. All right, so let's see where the traffic's coming from, how much of it is. Look, all right, so there you go, guys. Look, that's October 2016 here. So, and that's November here. This is December here. So it only really took off, I would say, like the end of December, which is like 20 days ago, 25 days ago. All right, you know, it's not a big company, guys. All right, the majority of the traffic is coming from Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Poland, Canada. Fair enough, you know. Let's see where the other traffic's. Okay, Google. It's coming from Google, Facebook, coin payments, YouTube. Okay, that's where people are promoting it mainly. Okay, Google, Facebook. Coin payments is because they take a lot of Bitcoin payments. All right. Okay, fair enough. Basically, guys, look, it's a really fresh company. It's been around for about a month max. It might stick around for 4 or 5 months. It might do. But the point is, guys, is that one day it's going to completely disappear. It's going to vanish. It won't be here. All right. Take my word for it. I know. All right. So, so for those of you who do know what this is, by the way, who know, you know that this is a HYIP program. You know that, you know the risks involved or whatever, then fine. If that's your choice, if you want to get involved in it, you wanna like invest in it, you want to take the risk, fine. But what I'd recommend is when you're promoting this program, then, especially if you know what it is, then don't kind of deceive people into kind of believing, oh yeah, this, it's a real legitimate, fund, right? Because it's not, all right, and it's really crappy when we kind of say those sort of things and then people kind of fall for it and lose money, all right? So basically, that's it, guys. Like I said, guys, for those of you who didn't know what this was, and just to repeat, those of you who are believing this story here, that the official story that this is an actual investment fund, it's a complete lie, guys. Please don't believe in it. This program has been designed with the intention to scam you later, which means it kind of is a scam now. If it intends to scam you later, then it is a scam now, right? So, so that's it, guys. Anyway, so if you're interested in, I'm in one Bitcoin program. If you are interested in finding out more about what I'm in, then I'll leave a link at the bottom below. It's kind of a little kind of introduction video to kind of explain to you what I'm in. But yeah, as for now, I hope this helps. I hope those of you who are in it, you don't lose money, or you don't lose too much money. And like I said, if for those of you who didn't know what this was, I hope this was educational for you. Okay, until next time, see you later.